Welcome to IT and Network King official channel. How to install and download Chrome browser in laptop and computers. Open Microsoft Edge browser. Type Google Chrome in web bar. Open Google Chrome official link. Click download Google Chrome link. Click download Google Chrome manually. Setup is downloading. Wait for a while. Click Setup. Wait for downloading. Wait for installation. Installation completed now. Open Chrome and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe IT and Network King official channel.